It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Terrain SLT. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Terrain. The driver's door has power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, the programmable memory seat, wood grain door trim, an auto express window, child lock button, the power liftgate button, and a premium Bose sound system. The left of the steering wheel has some lighting buttons and dials, as well as the park brake, all-weather floor mats, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, and we've got a power sunroof up above. Next, I'll climb in. We'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our adaptive cruise control buttons, forward collision alert, and that heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio buttons. This is the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, OnStar, and the sunglasses holder. This is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's a touch screen equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to turn that guidance off or on. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning. To the far left is our engine push start button, the park reverse drive buttons, some USB ports and power plug-ins, no slip matting, heated front seats, hill descent control, lane departure alert, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and off-road mode. The front of the SLT has fog lights, LED headlamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, a 1.5-liter turbo engine under the hood, the white frost tri-coat paint. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, as well as the turn signal indicator, roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. At the back, the rear window wiper and the power liftgate. We're going to pop the liftgate open using our key fob, pushing the button twice. In the trunk, we've got plenty of cargo storage space, cargo matting, the levers to fold the second row seating down, a plug-in, cargo hooks, and a large storage compartment located down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows and door storage. The backs of both front seats have got seat pockets. The back of our center console has rear fans, USB ports, and a 120-volt power plug-in. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. And we can fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever located on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Terrain SLT today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.